Concrete Contractors in Buffalo, New York. Call us now. We are available 24/7. Having a solid construction is one of the best things that you can have on your property. Concrete constructions are said to be durable and a worthwhile investment. If you are searching for concrete contractors in Buffalo, New York, then you have come to the right place. We have the best team of professionals who are skilled and qualified in handling all concrete projects, irrespective of the complexity or the size of the project. Call us today and we will be happy to interact with you through our free consultations and give you clearly written estimates. Get your concrete works done the right way, by our experienced contractors. Here are the main services that we have to offer: commercial concrete, residential concrete, concrete driveways, sidewalk concrete work, concrete paving, concrete pool work, decorative concrete, concrete parking lot, concrete garage and more. There may be so many concrete contractors in Buffalo, New York, but why settle for anything else than the best? Allow us to work on your property and we will give it our best shot to make it attractive. Call us right away and we will be happy to give you free estimates.